Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys have probably already guessed it by the video title, obviously, and also by the makeup that I have on my face right now, that today's video is a makeup tutorial, and it is featuring the makeup look I'm wearing right now, this very colorful, bright eyeshadow look with the dark lip and full-on glam lashes. So if you guys want to find out how to create this makeup look, then just keep watching. As always. Okay, so I'm going to use this one here. This foundation is the Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation and number 023 Sagano Bamboo. You guys have seen me use this before. And let's put it all over my buffing brush from Real Techniques. This is a new one. I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Taupe, just with one of my MAC 266 angle brushes. I am going to be starting my makeup using this Sleek Makeup eyeshadow palette. This is one of their Eye Divine eyeshadow palettes, Ultra Mattes V1730. This is what it looks like here. We've got all of these crazy bright colors. I'm going to be using the pink colors, which are Pucker and Pout. Okay, they're both very similar colors, so the big fluffy blending brush from Tarte's Make Believe in Yourself brush set. And I'm just going to be going into Pucker right here and just bringing that into the crease and starting in there. I know it's winter right now, but I have just been thinking about summer non-stop. Friends of ours just got back from Mexico. They were on their honeymoon, and then my parents and my aunts and uncles and my grandpa and his girlfriend, they're all going on trips this winter. Some of them are going to Punta Cana, some of them are going back to Mexico, and little old me is just going to be staying here in the cold Manitoba weather, suffering. So I thought I would get some summer inspiration with my makeup today. So I'm going to keep this all in the crease and above because I am going to be cutting this. I'm going to be doing some different color on my eyelid. Just going to continue deepening this up. I'm going to take this base shadow brush from Real Techniques. It's just one of my clean, big, fluffy brushes, and blend out the pink around the edges. Okay, I'm just taking this E310 brush from Mikasa Beauty. This is their tiny, short bristled, kind of like a pencil brush. It's almost dome shaped. And just in with this color here, it's a purple color, and that is called Sugar Light. And I'm just going to deepen the crease up with that a bit. And then back in with my initial brush from Tarte and just blending that all together really quickly. Next I'm going to cut my crease. I have my Tarte Shape Tape here, and this is in the color Fair Beige. This is the detailer brush from Real Techniques. It's nice and small and perfect for this. Just with this E220 brush from Mikasa Beauty, I'm going to be going into my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder just to tap lightly over my eyes, just to make sure that the Shape Tape is set and ready for eyeshadow. Next up, I'm going to be taking this flat shader brush from Tarte's Make Believe in Yourself kit as well. I'm going to be going into my Jaclyn Hill palette for the next few colors. I'm going to be taking her color Jada right here, this greeny turquoisey color here, and putting that all over on top of the Shape Tape with that brush from Tarte, the flat shader brush right here. Now, just with the other side of that brush, I'm going to be going into the color right next to Jada, and that is called Pool Party, and this is a shimmery turquoisey blue color, which I am in love with, and it is probably my favorite color in the whole entire palette. I'm going to spray my brush using my Cover FX mattifying setting spray, and I'm gonna pack that on and put it all over top of the Jada color I just put on. Now, my friend Amy is so nice and she got me this little Tarte kit for Christmas, and I'm going to use all of the products in this kit today. So I'm going to start off by using the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. I really am excited to try this out. The point of it is like so ideal for me. It's exactly what I'm looking for in an eyeliner. So let's go ahead and we're going to do a fairly good wing on this look. So I am just going to finish up the rest of my face now quickly before I do my under eye. I'm going to go in with my Motives Cosmetics, I don't know why I can't say that today, Color Perfecting Quad in the color light. Wow. And I'm going to take this color here, it's one of the medium toned ones, just to brighten up under my eyes. And here's my mirror. And do the center of my forehead, down my nose, like the center of my face kind of idea. The same as always, guys. I really like how this makeup is turning out. It's very colorful. We are going to set everywhere we just concealed using my contour brush from Real Techniques and this NYX powder again. going to use one of my old favorites. It is another Sleek product. This is Sleek Cosmetics Face Contour Kit in Light, number 884. This is what it looks like here. So it's got the contour color and then a nice pearly, pinky pearly colored highlight, which I'm also going to use. Another Tarte Make Believe in Yourself brush. This is the flat contour brush. Really nice and dense short bristles, which is perfect for getting in the hollows of the cheekbones and everywhere you need to contour around your forehead, jawline, everywhere you will see. Just gonna dunk right into this. Tap it off and go right in. Now that we have the contour on, we're just going to diffuse it all just with my foundation brush. That is contour done. Let's go ahead and do some blush now. The blush I'm using is a MAC product. This is one of their sheer tone shimmer blushes in the color Peachy Keen. And I'm going to use my Mikasa Beauty F111 blush brush. So as the name suggests, this does have a bit of shimmer in this blush. Just going to curl my lashes using my Revlon eyelash curlers. I'm going to be using this NYX liquid liner. It's their white color, their white liquid liner it says, just to do a single line right underneath my wing there. I don't want it to be too soaking wet, so I'm just gonna try and take off some of the product off the brush. So I just did a single line there. I'm going to go ahead and do this other one and then go over this one again and then second time on my other eye. Let's just quickly do mascara and eyeliner and my waterline. So the mascara I'm using is this Tarteist one here by Tarte, and it is their Lash Paint. It's got a big fluffy brush on it, which is cool. I'm just going to add some color underneath my lower lash line. So we're going to go back into my trusty Jaclyn Hill palette. And we're just going to take the color Jada that we used the base on the lid of earlier. We're going to be using this angled brush from Real Techniques. Using the E300 from Mikasa Beauty, this is just their big fluffy blending brush to blend that out underneath my eyes. For my waterline, I'm going to be using this very cute and tiny Sex Kitten gel black liner from Tarte. It just looks like this. It's got the wind up, just your typical gel black liner pencil. For highlight, I'm going to be going back into this sleek palette here and use this highlight that I showed you guys earlier, just with this highlighting brush that I have here that I received in my December Ipsy glam bag from SL Miss Glam. This is their L36 highlighting brush. Next up, I'm going to add some lashes, and these are the Dodo lashes number D115. This is what they look like here. I'm going to be using my Duo lash adhesive along with my Tarte lash applicator tweezers that I have here. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off of the outer corner of each lash, just because these are a bit too long for me. So that is the eyes finished. I am going to finish up this makeup look with the lips. And the lip product I'm using is one of the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Suede lipsticks. This is one of the metallic mattes in the color Neat Nude. So here you go, guys. This is the finished makeup look. It is totally crazy. I have not done too many makeup looks that are crazy colorful like this. I really like how this turned out. I think it is pretty cool. I don't know if it is something super wearable that you could wear every day. It's pretty bold, especially with the white liner and the two different bright colors on the lid, but I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as well. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post weekly videos every single Wednesday. And also, if you want, I will leave all of my social media information down below in the description box, as well as at the end of this video, so you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. But I think this is it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.